That's the full face of new makeup. Skin prep, I'm doing this Bioma Milky Toner. My skin actually has been healing. I don't have any more active acne. Do still have a lot of scars. This is what's helping me. So funny because I got so many comments on the video I made for La Roche-Posay correcting me on how I say it, but La Roche-Posay is a French brand, not La Roche-Posay. It's La Roche-Posay. We're trying the Huda Beauty Blur Foundation. I'm very late to the game, but better late than never. Do you see that? I actually forgot to color correct, so I'm gonna use correcting eye brightener from e.l.f. Just gonna put it on my acne scars. This is like the dupe for the NARS pot concealer. So far, I really like this product. Do you see how it concealed all my acne scars? I still prefer the NARS over the e.l.f., but this is a really good budget-friendly option. I'm kind of really obsessed with this foundation. I love the finish. This is not new, but I love this concealer from L'Oreal True Matte. The shade is perfect on my skin tone. This is a new sponge that I got from Primark. It's so freaking soft and the shape is weird, but I really love it. Like you can really get in the corners here. This is a new find for me. It's a Charlotte Tilbury bronzer and I've used it just a few times. Bronzer is honestly something that was missing from my life. It's like powdery and creamy at the same time. Honestly, it just brings the perfect warmth to your skin. I have another bronzer that I want to test is the one from Sashu. Yeah, it's a little bit darker. Really want a bronzy look today. Very close to the Charlotte Tilbury. The Charlotte Tilbury is a little bit more matte and this one is a little bit more creamier. A really nice transition shade. This is something I'm scared of trying. Cream blush from Sashu again in the shade I'm Hot. A shade that I usually don't go for. I'm excited and scared. Let's do it. Ooh, this is so nice. I was being a chicken for no reason. Let me blend this because it's very pigmented. Damn, I honestly think this is my new favorite blush. It's perfect for Toasty makeup. Wow, it's like the bronzer but a little bit warmer. Next is this bronzer from Primark, $1.50. I think I went a little ham with the bronzer, but that's okay. And apply it over my lid. Do a little nose contour. Doing everything with my Blurfection. Ever tell you how much I love this powder? I think I did a few times. I have to test this new blush. Shade Always Rosy. Oh yes, it's just a little bit more pinkier than the blush. So far, I like everything that I got. I'm super happy. So I think the last thing to try is my new lip combo. This is the e.l.f. lip liner in the shade Dark Cocoa. Looks promising. I think it beats my Rimmel Brownie Pie. So creamy for a $3 lip liner. What the heck? This is the CoverGirl lipstick. The shade Honey Blur. I usually don't go for dark lipstick, but this is really nice. I think it matches with my top and the rest of my makeup. I honestly love everything I purchased. My top 3 would be this blush from Sashu, this lip liner from e.l.f., and the Huda Beauty foundation. Hope you like my haul / try on, and I'll see you soon.